Rule number 10, the final one, which is not really a rule so much as a way of life, I'm not sure. Skinning. If you have a gorgeous rig that you followed all the other rules, you have controllers that make sense, they rotate and move your character correctly, and they're frozen correctly, history is done well, nice math, nice history, all sorts of wonderful things, but you've not made peace with skinning, well then your rig's not going to be much good. And this rig needs lots of skinning love. Oh no, look at that. Very, very sad. So you need to spend your time skinning to make sure this character is going to bend correctly. Some things on this character aren't too awful, but you want to pay attention to creases, bends, knees, etc. I believe the foot is particularly nasty. The side K handle's pulling away. Nice. Let's see. Do the toes rotate pretty well? Well, for simple toes that those are. But you want to go in and make sure you've spent your time on it. Not too awful, but needs some love. And you can also check out Art of Rigging has some great examples on skinning. You've got the interactive tool. You've got the weight hammer now in the newer versions of Maya. I think that came in, I don't know, 10 or 11 or something like that. And then also, never underestimate the power of the smooth inside, not the smooth poly, but the smooth inside the painting weights tool. So skin, edit smooth skin, paint weights tool. Oh, and it can't show it to you unless in a high poly, you have to go to 1 on the keyboard to actually get that. See that? 3, which is high smooth, it won't show you skinning. Have to be in the low poly. That's like 2 days of my life. I didn't know what it was. There you go. I'm a slow learner. So for instance, here's the beak. When that beak opens and closes, a great thing to do is use the smooth to help give it a little bit of extra love in the other areas around it. And that, you can't really print that in the book. It's so hard to see it, even though Asipa does. You can see an Art of Rigging, Making of Leon. That's horrible back there. Oh my gosh. And that helps you get some extra skin movement that you can't see because I'm hiding it. There we go. In other areas. And of course you can see skin movement maybe where you don't want it back there. Lots of skinning love needs to happen here. Okay, and if you don't like the skin and do not have the temperament for it, please find someone who does. First question to ask them is, do you like UVing? If they answer anything other than, oh my gosh, no, then you might have someone who can skin.